I'm Phil Shirk. I'm from Goodville Mutual. I'm the CFO here, and we write in 9 states. There's a lot of reasons to invest in solar for us as an insurance company. We are impacted by the changes in our climate that are making these property losses more severe, and so we feel like we need to be part of the solution. By adding solar panels, we're making it our contribution to this community and to our environment in a positive way. The purchase process went really well. My early meetings with Marty, our sales rep, was very smooth. He explained how the process works very well. He explained the return on investment and how the incentives work, and gave me a good layout of how things would go. And then during the process, we had a really good project manager, Charlie, who kept us updated, kept my facilities manager updated on what was necessary, when things were going to happen, even though some of the process gets a little crazy with trying to get approvals and all those kinds of things. They worked through those and kept us informed the entire time. Here we go. We invested in solar because we felt it was the best thing for our community and our environment. We also felt it was the right thing from a cost perspective because we'd be saving money over time.